a little deep. We got some deer scrapings. Lightning strike. What does this lead to? Huh. Yeah, maybe not follow the trail. It's a little deep. We're gonna have an issue this summer. That tree gonna fall. I wonder if I can push it over. It looked smaller. I can't push that. I need a chainsaw. Ring a ring a ring. I found a log for the cabin I'm gonna build. What was that? Another log for my cabin. A tree with a ball sack. Window frame. That's what I could use this for. Not thick enough to be one of the wall logs though. I don't understand how it didn't break off. That's just weird. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's been wolves down there. You can see the tracks all over the place. It's a big trail too. Leads somewhere. I don't know where. But maybe I'll go down it this summer. I don't know about you, but that looks like another trail. But I'll save it for this summer. Stick. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck. I should have brought the GT. Big hill. Okay, well, I don't know about you. This is cool. The top of it is cedar. The rest of it is pine. That is strange. That's cool. Hello? Anyone down there? Did you know that these mushrooms here, when they die, you can use them to draw on? Pretty cool. I've made some pretty cool stuff with them. Slow. Arrow. Looks pretty fatal to me. No one survived. Arrow. Slow. And some other sign. Oh man, we left our fire pit out there. Do I want to do that? Yes, I do. There's a tire in there. Yeah, oh, you can kind of see it. Tire. Waterfall! Don't know why that's still there. They fixed the bridge. Can't you see? CP rails. They fixed the bridge. Arrow. That way, but it's opposite day. I get that mushroom. Well, got the mushroom. Soaked my boot. Oh shit. Oh, that's another soaker. And it's still full of snow, damn it. Bush bacon. Yum. Not the biggest tree I've seen today, but it still caught my eye. Every summer, there's a big mud hole that happens right there. Right? And I go through it with the three-wheeler every single year. And it is so fun. Found trash on my trail, and I'm gonna find out who did it, and I'm gonna give them the talk. Did you know that moose will eat the end of maple trees, like the ends of the branches like this? They're not gonna be very big, but look, they've been here, right? But that looks like it's been a long time since they've been here. What was that? Oh, just the wind. But look at that. Isn't that cool? My brother's snowmobile broke down right here once, and the track fell off, and I fixed it right there with a stick and a wrench. So I was gonna go grab that glove. See the blue thing right there, right? And this decides to happen. The spring is coming, and I don't like it. But soon I'll be able to grab that glove, throw it out. So, yay me! Series A blue Cadillac, an 84, no, a 48. No, I don't know, something around the 50s. I know that. But a blue Model 8 Cadillac. It's pretty cool.